Black Friday, or this coming Friday, will be observed as a day of solidarity by the Public Works employees. General Secretary of the Public Service Union, Thomas Leta, informed that on this day, employees will be expressing their dissatisfaction and concerns to a number of issues affecting the membership. Poor working conditions, unfair treatment at work, unfair promotion, and people deprived of their rights to join a union of their choice, amongst others.
The corporation and ourselves have been at loggerhead over the past month when it comes to a number of issues. And it would appear to us that they are just not interested in having those matters resolved. And before we move a further step with our protest action, we believe that we need to start somewhere. And the somewhere we need to start is by having people wear some black ribbon or some black top at work on Friday, the Lord's willing.
Ill-treated employees will be seen dressed in a black top and black ribbons to express their solidarity. Letang outlined that in the process of a live protest, if ever a union and management meets to discuss, at the end of that discussion, if it is agreed that the protest action would conclude, there is always a form of agreement signed between the two parties.
You'll recall that in 2002, when the Public Service Union embarked on protest action as a result of the 5% that was being cut to the salaries and wages of public officers, and we could not arrive at an understanding with the government, a committee was established, and that committee was endorsed by both parties. When I say both parties, I mean the PSU and the government. The composition of that committee was Mr. Gregoire, Felix Gregoire. We had Father Lafleur and Dr. Etienne on that committee. They met with the union, they met with the government side, and at the end, certain things were agreed to. And a document was prepared and signed by both the union and the government.
Later expressed disappointment regarding the Public Works Corporation's decision not to sign the Memorandum of Understanding, which he claimed they did initially agree to sign. He said the one responsible for giving to them legal advice is not delivering professional legal advice, in that they are not directing them as to how to peacefully and amicably resolve the issue.